Tahir bhai, what do you say about Pakistan's defeat against New Zealand today, the way they played and they got out on 91, obviously? Do you think that these young guns need to be back for a longer period?
If they have lost this match, no, we should carry them up. We should give them. So I think we don't need to bring them back at an early stage, well mechanism, and will not replace the player according to the merit and according to the strategic purpose, right? When a great nation plays chess just to familiarize with the promote the chess and give the awareness of the benefits of the chess, whether it's the combination of 2.5 million with the job level of the budget that's both in our countries. Because if we really has been recognized by the government and highs and so on has declined up to great extent. I think just because of their bad performance, that's the reason things happen what it was.
So there's also discussion happening in sport, and Tahir bhai is with us today. How are you, Tahir bhai?
Good afternoon, God is too kind. What about you?
So that way you were sharing a news that 90% Pakistanis don't like playing chess. How do you see this news considering chess is also popular in Pakistan to some extent?
Yes, Akib, I shared the news that 90% of Pakistani don't love to play chess. But Akib, what are the implications? Chess is a game which is used for strategic purpose, right? Even a great nation plays chess just to familiarize with the strategy. So I think Akib, cricket and hockey are going through great turmoil and facing very downfall. But what our nation can do is they can go to other sports like chess as well. As you know, internationally chess has a very huge recognition. So I think our government should organize tournaments of tournaments for promoting the chess. So the youngsters could have built the interest in chess, and it is the only reason. Even in the colleges level, university level, we should promote the chess and give the awareness of the benefits of the chess, whether it's strategic purpose or anything else. So I think these are the reasons because I 91% is a huge number, to be honest. And chess is a international game, and I think our government should organize some tournaments so the interest of the youngsters could be built up.
Tahir bhai, we were recently discussing about Mohammad Riaz and that he's been given a government coaching job by the KP government. How do you see this and the money also which he received from Mr. Shabazz Sharif?
Akib, appointment of Mohammad Riaz, who was working at Jalebi seller, is a very sigh of relief that government of KPK has recognized his services and appointed him as coach. It's a very good thing. But I think there is a slight difference between federal government and provincial government. Shabazz Sharif, as you are mentioned, that Shabazz Sharif is holding a federal government level, right? So he given him 2.5 million. It's a very good amount in the current state of affair as compared to JB Seller. But but it's not that much. But still, something is better than nothing. So the combination of 2.5 million with the job level offered by the KP government as a coaching staff, now I think he will have the handsome livelihood, and Mohammad Riaz should also work delicately for promotion of that sports in our country, because if he has been recognized by the government, now it is his turn to deliver his maximum knowledge to nurture the young guns for the uplift of that sport.
Tahir bhai, what do you say about Pakistan's defeat against New Zealand today, the way they played and they got out on 91, obviously? Do you think that these young guns need to be back for a longer period?
I think you raised a genuine question that Pakistan lost this match in the presence of young guns, and we should bring back Babar and Rizwan. Okay, it's very early to bring them back. Look, in the presence of those big names, whether we were on the winning track, your answer will be absolutely not. So that's the reason, Akib, we should give them a long rest. So the young guns, no doubt, Akib, if they have lost this match, no issues. We should carry them up. We should give them confidence. Because Akib, look, it's just a first game in which we faced the defeat in the presence of young guns, but we were facing the continuous lost elimination from the tournaments in the presence of big name. So Akib, we don't need to bring them back at an early stage or on the verge of the first defeat in this series. I think we should carry out this series with these young guns. It will nurture them and will give them confidence. But on the other hand, Akib, these young guns have the huge pair of responsibility on their shoulder because they are carrying the legacy of those big names. We have said those big names to bring them up, these young guns, so they could play better than those big names. So if these young guns won't play well, and I am afraid of that the ranking of our team might not decline way beyond beyond Kenya as well. I think Akib, PCB should pull their socks up and they should develop a mechanism. So if we are sacking the big names, we should at least supplement those sacking of big names with the upcoming young guns. Otherwise, Akib, sacking of players and bringing young guns won't work accordingly if we will not develop mechanism and will not replace the player according to the merit and according to the strength.
Starby, lastly, before we conclude this video, Moeen Ali, former England cricketer, said that Pakistani pacers Shaheen, Naseem and Rauf, they are good, but they are not extraordinary, or they are not brilliant. Very good. How do you see this statement?
It's a very tricky question, Akib. As a Pakistani, I will back my fast ball. But if we talk as a cricketing nation, Akib, the performance of Naseem, Shaheen and Haris and so on has declined up to great extent. That's why I will second with the Moeen Ali statement that no doubt they are good, but they can't be best or great. For the greatness, Akib, you should have the strength like Jimmy Anderson, Shane Bourne. I didn't mention the Wasim and Waqar on the top priority because Akib, they are just above the level of superiority. So Akib, I think I totally second with Moeen Ali, but Akib, look, if your big name won't perform well, fingers will definitely be pointed out towards them. And it's the responsibility of Akib, Haris, Naseem and Shaheen that if they are sacked from the team, they should work hard and prove themselves up to great extent. So they should be praised equally well as they were praised before when Shaheen used to bowl up to 140 plus. So I think Akib, just because of their bad performance, that's the reason fingers have been pointed towards them.
Tahir bhai, thank you so much for your time. Inshallah, tomorrow again we'll try to have another video. So guys, that's it for this video. Like, share and subscribe to Coaches for more content like this. Till then, it's goodbye from me and the entire website. Take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.